In this episode, we're going to learn about good citizenship. It's important to be a good citizen. A good citizen follows the rules. Rules protect our rights and make sure that people are treated fairly. You can be a good citizen at home by helping your family do chores like the dishes. That way, everyone is helping each other out and you have more time to be together doing something fun, like playing a game. You can also be a good citizen by taking turns while playing a game. That way, everyone gets a turn and it's fair. When you're at school, you can be a good citizen by hanging up your backpack. This way, your classmates aren't tripping over your backpack and getting hurt. You can also be a good citizen at school by working hard and not talking while you are working. This way, you can learn all you need to know, and so can your friends. It's important to follow the rules on the playground too, like going down the slide on your bottom. That makes you a good citizen because you won't get hurt when you do that. When playing sports, it's always good to give your teammates a high five or a compliment. It is always good to be kind and supportive of each other. Now that we have learned about being a good citizen, let's see if you can tell which picture shows good citizenship. Hmm, which picture shows good citizenship? What do you think? You're right. Picture A shows good citizenship. Hmm, which picture shows good citizenship? What do you think? You're right. Picture B shows good citizenship. Which picture shows good citizenship? What do you think? You're right. Picture A shows good citizenship. Hmm, which picture shows good citizenship? What do you think? You're right. Picture B shows good citizenship. I hope you like this lesson on being a good citizen. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.